Complete piece of shit. Don't pull out in front of someone, then do that, you fucking cunt. Fucking retard. And you. I don't know what they were thinking there. There was no point in changing lanes. All they've done is get themselves further back in the traffic. Wow, what a cunt! What a cunt! The fuck is that prick doing? What the shit is going on here? Bloody Polo speeding up behind and then wiggling about as he's braking. That nutsack in front pulling that fucking like evasive manoeuvre like he's protecting a VIP. Dear God. I suppose this is what you get for coming to Essex. That's gonna really piss some people off saying that. Dickhead. Fucking hell, mate. Why are you in that lane if you're going over there? Swat. Dickhead. Wanker. They were in such a rush to make that turn, and then all they do is just block us. Arseholes. They were not paying attention. Oh wow, hello, there's a corner there. Dickhead. Fucking speed that dickhead just went past. They had no chance to look to the right to see if I was there. If I'd been there a second sooner, they would have crashed into me. Absolute arsehole. The police making them go because of cutting the queue. Good, fucking good. Queue jumping cunts.